Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you like our videos, please subscribe and like to our videos. In today's video, we're going to show you how to bend a 45-degree offset bend with 22mm pipe. So for example, if your pipe wants to be from there to there, this formula is going to show you how to achieve that. So basically what you need to do is you need to obviously measure your pipe centers, which is on this one is roughly about 100mm. So we're going to obviously pick our starting point, which is going to be about there. And then what we need to do is we need to get a calculator and put 100mm times the formula for 45 degree is 1.4, which equals 140, same as 15mm pipe. So what we do is we measure from our starting point. You see, guys, so 140 there. Remove this, and what we'll do is, because we're flipping it over, we will mark around the pipe. Makes it easier, that's all. Same for this side here. There you go. As you can see, there's your 140. So what you do, guys, is the first bend there, put it into your Monument Masters 22mm benders and bend that to 45 degrees. So we'll take these bad boys. Obviously, because of the size of the bend, it's going to be impossible to get it underneath the camera. So what I'll do is I'll set it up, bend it, and then I'll show you it. So basically put your mark in there, look. And on the bender, use that there as your reference point for your first mark. As you can see, like that, look. So I'll get these set up, guys, and I'll pull the first bend, and then I'll show you it, and then we'll pull the second bend. So we'll take it down to 45 degree. Even with the handles on these, are still a bit tough to bend. There you go, guys. There's your first bend there. Then what you do, you take it out the benders like that. So you remove it from the benders, and then you flip it over like that, and you put that mark there on the guard there. And then you're pulling a 45 degree bend on that one as well. Just make sure it's lined up with the bender. So when you pull the bend, so you've got to make sure it's lined up, guys. Right, it's got to be, make sure it's got to be lined up, so it's nice and straight. So when you pull your second bend, it's going to be bang on. So just checking to see if it's straight. Not as easy as the 15mm benders, to be fair, but. And then we're going to pull air on the 45. As you can see, guys, there you go, lined up. I'm going to pull that on the 45. Yeah. Get there in the end. There you go, guys, as you can see. Even with the handles on, it's still a testing bend. So, take this off here. So there's your 45-degree offset bend in 22mm. So she's going to go there like that. Put her in there like that. There you go, guys. Bring the camera out so you can see it. And there you go. There is your 45-degree offset bend in 22mm pipe, guys. If you like what you see, guys, like our videos, please subscribe and look out for the next one. Thanks for watching.